that just happened right now?
What'd she hit?
She hit something like a car.
No, something red. Wonder what that red thing is.
Oh, it was that car.
Holy shit!
Bro, that car went all the way over there and that hit it.
Holy shit! When the thing comes on stages, I'm going home.
What? Bro, look at that.
I'm dipping.
Damn, this guy crashed her. And then she went that way and then she went up there.
We need to cross the street.
I'm going home. I don't know about you.
And this is, I think this is where my doggy died. Oh, no. Are you okay?
Where's your phone?
Damn, the wheel popped hard. That has to hurt. God. Watch out, you might get burnt.
Miss, I can't find your phone.
Oh, it smells like gloves and boots. Even the metal got burnt.
I'm gonna turn off our car and unlock it.
No, that's gonna explode.
No, what?
You just don't do it, though.
The airbag, it's called, now there's like steam coming out of the airbag. And she's trying to cut all this.
Gotcha. Do you guys think if you guys want to turn off the car, maybe if it's still on?
We don't know how to turn off the car.
I do.
I do, but I don't want to do it. I don't want to die. You look, you see that one tried to turn, I think, and that one hit the car in front. She went driving, since she was still driving, she went over here, and then she like, boom.
Dude, I'm gonna go wrong.
Bro, imagine the guy,
He's gonna come out.
oh, damn.
Hey, turn off your Bluetooth.
Oh, that's messed up.